All right, are we about ready? Are we about ready? Okay. Where are we at? Ba 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 ba. Are we on YouTube? Are we streaming on YouTube? Or are we streaming on Twitch? There we go. We are slowly getting there. I believe we're there. Okay, so here I am with a screen. With a screen for OpenGL. Where do we start? What do we do? Alright, we gotta figure that out. For now, we're gonna continue without code, I believe. Oh, let's flash. Okay. Is that good? Okay. Now, I believe I have all the stuff previously that I had in there. So OpenGL is right here. So I have everything from OpenGL that needs to be copied and put into place right there. Okay. But I'm going to go through and make sure everything's right, correct, whatever you call it. And Vulkan is right here. So we have everything here. That, yeah. How come those are VLC files? Huh. I blame Windows. I blame Windows. So, actually, while we're at it, we can run the SDK installer, because that is a thing. So I guess we're going to start with Vulkan, although that is most unusual. Install the Vulkan SDK. Alrighty, settings. Do we care? Computer, I do not. Oh, look at that. Core 1.3. Cool. Device is already present in the database, but can be updated. Oh. What? Whoa. Okay. Settings, about, exit. Alright, fine. And this is off the screen. Computer, did you know that your window's off the screen? Alright, fine. Huh. No Vulkan layers override will be active when the Vulkan configurator closes. Are you still ready to close the Vulkan configurator? Yes. Alright. Alright. So there we go. We just installed the SDK. I could not get the tiny OBJ to work, so everything else from Vulkan works, except that, but you know, I really don't know an order of operations here. I really don't know. So, like, let's go into the Vulkan tutorial, I guess, I'm thinking. Let's just look at the tutorial, although I also have it Can we go to page 17? There we go. Okay. Can we make it a little easier to read? And then that's too bright. Alright. So here we go again, and I read all this on the other stream the other day, but we're just going to look through this. Go to install the SDK, which we just did. What does it say? Go to the bin directory. Ah, we can do that. Let's go to the bin directory. What did it say to run here? Hold on. Run the VK Cube demo. VK Cube. Boom. There we go. There we go. This is what it's all about. There's a Minecraft block spinning on our screen, and it is a Lunar G Vulkan. Alright. You should see the following. I did. GLFW, okay, which I already have, although we have in the downloads in the Vulkan thing, we have GLFW here for Vulkan, but in OpenGL we actually compile GLFW for the lib files. But I think I got it here, yeah, the lib files are here. Like it's already pre-compiled for us, so that works either way. So I don't think we'll have to go through the GLFW compiling, you know, with CMake and all that fun stuff. But I probably should. I don't think I'm going to this time though with that. So okay. Right. So let's create a new project. Now we can actually go through and do stuff here. So let's go new project. Might as well start there. Okay, we want an empty project. Click next. Okay, this one we're going to call Vulkan. Okay. It's going to go in repos, solution and project in the same directory. That's fine. So I realize I'm just going to get the setup and then I'm going to cut out the stream. I'll probably do some programming later, because I'm just going to do this before I even have breakfast. I know my clock says 10 p.m., but it's because I'm on a graveyard kind of a schedule. But basically what I'm saying is if you have any questions or anything, post them in the comments. That would be great, because you are future. Because right now I'm in the past. And so, post questions in the comments. Reach me. You can find me on Twitter or anywhere else if you have any questions about the setup and stuff, and we will work through it. Console application selected, empty project. Okay, press OK to create the project, and that is C++ source file. Right. Okay, so we're just... See, I already have this too. I already have all this stuff set up, so main. There we go. Yeah, so this was the, oh, it's probably easier to get from the website. Let's see, development environment. Go down to here. Computer, we're just going to the website. Forget the PDF. See, here it is. So this is what, we'll start from scratch in the next chapter. So copy that, paste it right in there, save that. Okay, we got the squiggly lines. So he walks us through. See, this is great. It's all laid out. So we're going to select all configurations. Or wait, where are we at? Sorry. I'm supposed to go into project properties, all configurations. Duh. Okay. Thomas Parker, sounds good. I need to try it out soon. I used OpenGL but not tried Vulkan yet. Hey, welcome to the stream. How are you? This is a brand new computer, brand new setup. Spent a couple of hours this morning and then I fell asleep, and now I'm getting this set up for OpenGL and Vulkan again, so feel free to follow along here. And I found this great tutorial on vulkantutorial.com, vulkan-tutorial.com, and it's really great. If you look at the comments in the tutorial, you see it's not completed yet, but it covers some of the basics. I couldn't get the tiny OBJ loader to work, but everything else from the tutorial worked for me, so all configurations. So now we're going to add the include directories, glfw, glm, and Vulkan. Okay. Let's do that. Oh, see, my fonts are all screwed up because I was in 4K settings earlier. Shoot. Makes it less easy to read for the... See, do I have to shut that down, or can I just reopen that window? No. Or can I just go in here and... Alright, Visual Studio, we'll be right back. Save that. So let me zoom in, excuse me, zoom in on the browser. And then let's go into Visual Studio. Oh, see the GUI. That's fine. Okay, so let's go back to Vulkan. There we go. Okay. So that's still not... So now can I just zoom in like this? Okay. And then how do we... because I would like everything to be readable. I think what I did was... I think it was holding on to the settings from before. So let's see if I can just go up to 125%. And if that... See, now everything's more visible. Okay. So then... Okay. This is still in small print. Alright, that's fine. Okay, all configurations additional include... Alright. Still a little clunky here. Alright. Excuse me. So... we want to go to here. And GLFW. Oh, include right there. Okay. So it does the GLFW, GLM, and then the Vulkan. Okay. So let's go here. Downloads. GLM. Okay. Is that the same subdirectory? Yeah. The GLM and then Vulkan. So we'll just go here. Oops. Okay, so that takes care of the Vulkan includes. Next, open the editor for library directories under Linker General. Linker General. Add the locations of the object files for Vulkan and GLFW. Okay. Oh, GLFW, right. Okay, and then... So that's the one where we choose... So Linker General, additional library directories. So downloads, GLFW, we're going to go with the VC 2022. And the Vulkan. Okay, and apply. Okay. But wait, there's more. Additional dependencies, right. Input, additional dependencies, here, edit, okay. And I think it puts Vulkan-1.lib and GLFW3.lib, okay, so. Like that, okay. And apply. But wait, there's more. This is very important. Finally changed the compiler to support C++17. So C++, C and C++ language. So we go back again to here. Where's it at? Language standard. This one. So we go to 17. Which I'm sure we could probably go up to 20, but... Alright, I believe we're ready. Excuse me, make sure you're compiling in 64-bit mode. And then we'll go from there. And we are. Okay, we got it. 14 extensions supported. That is more than my last... That is more than my last GPU. So this video card is better. Although it was really crappy when I was trying to run No Man's Sky. I don't know what was going on there. I think it's the CPU, which is kind of striking, shocking that CPU would affect No Man's Sky so much. Like, No Man's Sky is unplayable for me, which is sad, because 5.5 years ago, whenever No Man's Sky came out, that's the reason I bought my GPU. And upgraded my computer, was to be able to play that game, and I bought it right when it first came out. Okay, that's it. We're good with Vulkan. We can put code in here, we can do all kind of stuff. There's other stuff from Vulkan. I think there's the only other stuff from Vulkan that I would possibly worry about. I don't think... Yeah, the only other thing was textures, which is STB image. I think. Didn't I do... I think I did some... I did some highlights. Vulkan first triangles. Yeah, that was it. Oh yeah, and then compiling. That's with PowerShell. Yeah. Compiling the shaders. So what I do to get set up to compile for compile the shaders is not very much. I run PowerShell. Okay, I think I have oh right, I don't, hold on, let me hook up. Oop, can you reach there? There we go. Are we breaking anything? Did anything break? Oh, we got it. Okay. So where did I put that stuff now? Oh shoot. Oh wait, no, it's in here. Oh, did I throw it in there? No, where did I copy it to? Shoot, it's lost. Well, anyways, I can redo it. No, not there. It was in documents. I I think I threw it on the, hold on. Wait, did I see Godot? Yeah, I set up Godot so that there's a there's a mod for it that one of the Twitch streamers put on there, and it's called Ridiculous Coding, and it's really cool. It does like a little animation as you type. So I was going to set up a little PowerShell script to copy my code over to the Godot interface so that I could type inside of Godot and use that Ridiculous Coding mod. And then, but then I'd have to copy everything back in order to do the compilation in Visual Studio. But yeah, Godot seems really awesome. That is what I started to use. It's the game engine I use now. Yeah, I think that is a really good way to go if you're going to use a game engine. Yeah, I mean, Unity, Unreal, those are pretty good too. But Godot is, I believe it's open source. So it's not like a commercial kind of a thing. And I think that is the better way to go. Of course, I fooled around with Unity a little bit, and I think I ran Unreal like once. Okay, so where's my window computer? Shoot, it's been a while since I've done this. There we go. MIT. Oh, okay, yeah. So let's go into the shaders here. Where's that covered? Shoot. Shader modules. Okay, so it's right in here. Compiling the shaders. Right, and it gives you the shaders. Okay, and they recommend making a compile.bat, which will work. You can run it into, excuse me, you can do that in a command line. Excuse me. So let's put the shader here. I usually use Visual Studio Code, but we can use PowerShell. And let's save it. Where are we going to put this at? I don't even think we have repos open yet. I probably have a repo for this. There we go. It's not a PowerShell file. It is a vertex shader. Whoop. Alright, I think that does it. .vert. Alright. The extension is important there, as far as I know. Let's open another one. So let's save this as a fragment. Okay, so we got those, and then what it points you to is the Vulkan SDK, and you want to run this. So we can actually go, got this new keyboard I can't see. There we go, so we want Vulkan, that's the version. Want the bin directory, and then I've got the command there. So that'll do that. And then we go frag.frag. Varg. And if all goes well, we'll hit F8. Whoops, we got errors. just save that first, because this, what it is looking for is, oh shoot, what did I just do? This new keyboard, I'm switching my keyboard up. Computer. It's one key that's out of place, and it is not working for me. That's hilarious. Okay. Repos Vulkan / Okay, and that's what we need right there. So we'll just take that out. Put that right there. And we also want to write those files to the same directory. Okay. Now we can save that. Highlight and run it. Oh wait, we still get errors. Desktop shaders for Vulkan SPIR-V require version 1.40 or higher. What does that mean? Preprocessor directive cannot be preceded by another token. Boy, we're getting all kinds of errors. Desktop shaders for Vulkan SPIR-V require version 1.40 or higher. Line 1, char 1. Huh. Oh, is that because I didn't save these in the repository? Where did I save them at? Whoops, did I put them... Where did I save these files? Oh. Alright, let's check it out first. Is this the repo? Yeah, vert, frag. Alright, well let's just try it again. Okay, that looks right. Yeah, this looks right so far. Except for I can't get that key. So did it actually make the files or no? So it didn't even get the SPV files. Okay. Huh. Yeah, it's exactly... Let's just run one of them. So why is it saying that? Version : Oh. Hey, dude. Oh, wait. No, there goes the music. I just didn't want people to see that. Hold on. Loading Steam. So I wonder if I can just search for that online. Desktop shaders. Let's just go here. Computer, will you let me copy that? Let's go there. I wonder if there's something I'm doing wrong. Shader edit not working for Vulkan SPIR-V. That's 2018. Correct way to use compiled SPIR-V shaders in Vulkan. Now this looks like it might be similar. So it's the command line parameter? I don't know. I don't think that's it. Weird. And it's a .vert, right? I don't know. Well, we appear to be stuck. And at the moment, I kind of don't care about Vulkan. I kind of don't care about Vulkan, but it's probably just, I don't know. Well, for future viewers, if you know what the error is, please tell me. Because this is correct, so I'm not sure why that's not working. It gives an error. It says desktop shaders for Vulkan Spear V require version 140 or higher, but we are clearly with 450. Alright. Well, let's go back to music. Huh. I really wonder what's going on. The only other thing is GPU. Like, does it not handle 4.5? I don't think it's, I don't know. Weird stuff. The preprocessor directive cannot be preceded by another token. 2 errors generated. Looks good. Looks good to me. Huh. Well, my ultimate goal is not to program in Vulkan tonight. So maybe we could do another stream where I could figure this out. I have no idea. Either way, I know that I want to eat soon and I want to get OpenGL installed, so we are preempting the Vulkan install for another time, apparently. Huh. My apologies. Okay. close solution? Okay. Alright, moving on. I have no idea what's causing that error or why that's doing that. So, alright, moving on. It's a little weird. Okay, so let's go OpenGL. Create. Okay. Now, actually, this one. Oh, that's why let me just turn that down just a little bit. Okay, so I am familiar with OpenGL. I've installed it so many times. However, I am going to step through it according to that looks creepy. So let's go to Learn OpenGL. Let's go down to Get Started. Okay, so GLFW, and I already have all this stuff already done, plus I just went through that with Vulkan. And so I actually don't need CMake. Okay. So the library, the include folder, compilation, build, okay. First project. So the first thing that you do, I guess, here is link GLFW. OpenGL Lib and include, right? And that's what I do. Okay, so what he does is he puts all of his library files, PC++ directories, all configurations. Okay, so include directories, puts all of his include in one place, which I have mine in Documents, OpenGL, and they're all right there. And then we apply that. Then we go to Library Directories. Yeah, I'm skipping a lot of steps, so if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask, or ask in the comments after the video is posted, if you're in the future, which most of you are. Select folder. So that's the same, but it's got to be specified for the libraries. Okay. So that should handle a lot of that. Since VS can now find all the required files, we can finally link GLFW to the project by going to the Linker tab and Input. Okay. So basically you want to put in glfw3.lib and OpenGL32 in the Linker Input Additional Dependencies section. Linker Input Additional Dependencies. OpenGL32, GLFW3. Okay, glad is really easy since I've already got the file. So we just go existing item. We go to the, I keep it in the include directory here. It's just the glad.c file. And it's always there. It's in source files. If you put it into source files, it will be compiled. Past bedtime, have a great night, and good luck. We'll have to watch the rest later. Thank you. Sorry about the Vulkan setup, but I might get that another time and do another. Once I get a little bit more familiar with the computer, there might be something with the computer, maybe something I'm not getting, or I don't know, some kind of configuration that I missed during the install of the SDK, but I don't think I missed anything. But anyways, have a good night, and thank you for tuning into the stream. Okay, so that should do it for glad. Everything else, hello window, hello triangle, shaders, GLSL, okay, textures, transforms, GLM I think is, yeah, everything as far as I can think of, and I'm sure I'm missing something. This is all I need to do, so. Thank you for the stream. Oh, you're more than welcome. I enjoy doing them. It kind of gives me a little boost to be a little bit more productive than just normal. So. Oh shoot, I gotta go fix breakfast or something and wake up here. Okay, STB, I don't think I need anything from that. Let's just try to compile some and see what errors pop up if we get it. So. We already have, so now we created the OpenGL repo. Let's copy everything from my previous setup. Whoops, did I, actually it might be here, but I copied a more recent version. Let's take out the USB there. Plug in the hard drive. Oh, I tell you, don't get a new computer. Do not get a new computer. Stick with your setup. Of course, mine broke, so I had no choice. And I didn't have really, and in fact, I had zero money, so I borrowed money to be able to buy this one. And it's a downgrade as far as the CPU. It seems like it's an upgrade on the GPU, but I don't know. The jury's still out on that one. So. Okay, so programming main project backup. Didn't I do one in here? So let's take all of this. Actually, do I really want to take all of it? It's a little much. But for now, we'll just keep it. Go with what works. Those are the 4 solution files. We'll leave those alone because we're in the solution now. So let's see what happens here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I had a coffee, but I might not be with it. Oh yeah, let's see what this one does. Okay. First of all, open it up. We got GLM in there, glad, STB, SFML. I don't think SFML. is set up yet. I'll have to set that up. But this should be good. Everything else should be good. So let's see what happens when we compile. No errors. Oh, and it works. Nice. Very cool. Okay, and we got our special little secret mode here, computer. Secret mode. Okay, go back. And I'll go back in here. And I can just see, are they firing at each other? Yeah, we got the good stuff. Okay, so how come the cursor is not visible? Alright, already problems. But that's okay. That works. Okay, so let's go into here. Make sure that the cursor, it's not disabled there. Where is the cursor disabled? Where? Oh, when I hit the 1, I bet. So let's go back into computer. Here. Of course, actually, I think the 1 is that down here. Can we also, how do you scroll bar options? I want the, where's the thinger? Use bar mode, map mode, source overview, wide. That's what I want, thank you. Okay, so where's the, let's see. Computer. Let's just search disabled. It's not even in there. So why does the cursor get disabled? Computer? Space Arena Prime mode there. So does it start out with the cursor? No. So where's the cursor? So, alright. Computer, what are you doing here? It doesn't start out disabled. But it doesn't start out normal either, so do we have to set that now? No, I'm still not seeing the cursor. Huh, okay, that's weird. So again, I think I wonder if that's the GLFW. No, because I'm using the one. Computer, what's happening? Alright, well, that didn't go as I planned. But there will be more later. We've got my streamers coming online probably, and dinner or lunch or whatever. Breakfast, sorry. Oh, I don't know. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Yeah. Boy, getting a new computer's fun.